Oh, hey friends, Adam here, and we are looking at this. It's from Godyga, and this is a really impressive little flashlight that you're going to love for your disco parties, you're going to love for your home improvement projects, and you're absolutely going to adore if you're a flashlight or tech enthusiast. Now, this is an impressive design that we're going to give you all the details about, and we're going to help you decide if it's the right product for you. So let's go ahead, we're going to check it out. We're going to kick it off right now. We can also use this to tell things like distances, currently in feet. So if I wanted to know how tall this tree was, I can easily identify the height of the tree and its exact amount. It is 7'2". And then what's even better about that, we can do things like measure our kids, measure lumber, and do a whole lot more with impressive accuracy. So folks, one of the very cool aspects here is we can look at degrees. So if we want to point the laser and we want a straight line or we want a 15-degree angle, whatever it may be, this can be perfectly used for construction. And this is a great design when we're marking things across on a wall, when we're marking things here or there. This is going to be perfect for you do-it-yourself and construction guys. And let's not forget that this works over incredibly long distances. I'm shooting clear across my house, all the way into my office, and I can see the degree to an exact point where I can measure something out, whether it's across a wall, in a line. We're able to do some impressive construction and design here. So although this is fun for making the cats chase the laser, it's a whole lot more useful for construction projects. Also, I want to point out the face guard technology. When it's facing me, if you have these lights on, it turns off. Turn it away, it'll turn on. So a smart design that's keeping me from getting my eyes blown out. Boom! Super safe. I've never seen anything like this. This is using the latest safety technology to make sure that you're safe. Now, folks, I like to do a lot of photography, and there's no better way to light than starting off in a completely dark room and then building the lights from there to get your right lights, your right shadows, and get everything working perfectly. Folks, this shot is for my own entertainment. I wanted to see what it looked like using the flashlight and a little bit of fog. That could take a very cool picture. One of the other things that I like very much about this is that it doesn't seem to overheat in my hand. A lot of times other flashlights seem to have issues. When they start getting warmer and warmer, they become uncomfortable to hold. No issues here. Of course, you don't always need to hold it because it will clip on to practically any surface. And just so you can see it up close, there is that clip design. It has a rubberized material there to not do damage to anything if you clip it onto something that could scratch. It also has a tucked away USB-C for fast charging and a long-lasting battery life. But wait, there's more. It has a magnetic surface as well. So say you're working on the car like we are on our old school 1995 Jeep Wrangler. If we want to shed a little light on the subject, all we have to do is use the magnetic mount. And now we have a spotlight. This is perfect for low light situations. Anything you may be working on is now illuminated. And just to show you what it looks like at night, this does a great job illuminating areas that otherwise would not get illumination. Also, folks, I gotta point out there's a very nice moonlight mode. So you can leave this on just to get a little bit of light. So maybe you're not tripping, but you're not making everyone aware that you've got lights on. This is perfect for people that want to go ahead and maybe find the bed at night, find the bathroom, make their way around outdoors without alerting everyone that they are there. In addition, if you want to hold for 5 seconds, you will enter the lock mode, which is going to keep your kids from playing with it. Very nice, saving you electricity and keeping them out of potential mischief. I also like that if you just hold it down, you can scroll through the brightness levels very easily and efficiently. There's no tricky buttons there. Just hold it down and it will go through the different modes for you. And if you're interested in a disco party, the strobe effect is pretty cool too. And again, that shuts off if it's facing your face to make sure that you're ultra safe and protected. Woohoo! Disco time! Of course, folks, if you're a dancer, you're at a dance carnival, I love the fact that you can clip this on and you can get to dancing, completely hands-free design there. Clicking twice will enter turbo mode, and I gotta tell you, it's got one heck of a battery, so even turbo mode lasts for quite a long time, and this is almost as bright as turning on the lights in the house. Pretty cool, right? And folks, I cannot begin to tell you how advanced in technology this is, that you can use it for so many things, like a level, or even a golf score counter that we'll show you here in a moment. But wow, how cool is that? Impressive. The settings on the device are pretty cool too. You can change the units, see the life remaining, etc. They've just done a good job of making this very intuitive. All right, folks, so I don't want to bore you with an oversaturation of information, but let me tell you a few other things about the TorchEye device. This has the eye protection, the face safe lighting, the professional laser, 65 feet of range, 3 millimeters of accuracy. It's got both white and UV light, dual lighting. This has professional measurement, 360 degrees to 0.3 degree accuracy. You can do quick height and area measurement as well. Stepless dimming for white and UV light. And of course, the laser and angle can be done at the same time. That's very cool. This is perfect for installing stairs, tiles, ceilings, etc. And folks, it's very cool that you can lock in an angle as well. So if you're doing a construction project, say 30 degrees for some stairs or something, you can go ahead, have it lock that, and you can consistently work on the same angles. Of course, folks, it's got that BMS battery system, instant turbo light, and with the USB-C, you can use your phone to charge your light. How cool is that? Of course, folks, we love that aluminum body and the waterproof design. That is so cool. And of course, folks, it is a rugged body, so it is relatively drop resistant. That matters to me as well. And folks, I want to show you that UV mode as well. They've just done a great job giving you a powerful UV mode to where you can see things under that UV light. So there you go, folks. A product that you can use day or night, rain or shine. This is one that you're definitely going to want to pick up and get to shopping. Go pick yours up today. And if you want even more information, stick around for our up close portion of the video to give you all the details. My name is Adam. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Now stick around for the up close portion of the video, and if you've already decided, go ahead and put it in your cart. All right, folks, so what a fantastic device we have here, and now it's time for our up close portion of the video. This is great for renovation workers, delivery men. It's great for EDC, flashlight lovers, outdoor enthusiasts, and tech lovers like myself. Seeing the latest in technology makes it the greatest in technology. And I tell you what, this is so cold, it's colder than Macklemore. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and see what's in the box. And of course, we're very excited that this is perfect for your pocket. Now, when it comes down to it, you're gonna wanna use the user manual to make sure you take advantage of all of the options. Press the screen to turn on the device and rotate the bezel for the different lighting modes. We do have a shortcut sheet here for some of the most commonly used features. We have customer support, a little bit more in here. And yes, this is great. You can even use it to measure your kids, measure your friends, and measure your kids' friends. So the device itself, it says, warning, don't look directly at the light. Yes, that is a smart design that you don't want to be looking directly at. And wow, how cool is this? You've got the USB-C tucked away for charging. You've got your laser light and everything in between. They've just done a great job giving you a high quality device that is built to last. So as we check it out, let's go ahead and look at everything else in the box. Of course, they've given you a quality USB-C cable, as we come to expect from a quality brand. Then in addition, we've got the long form instructions, all the figures. You can see the charging icon, the real-time power display, the full and remaining charge, The battery indicator level, everything right there. The main menu, the status bar. Boy, this gives you all the functions and features. The red light function, the white light function, the laser light, the settings, the laser distance, the angle function, and of course the UV light function. So there's so much here to learn and to use. I know that is a really cool aspect as well. Now, first and foremost, we have that laser light already on, and boy, that's going to be very cool when we're looking at that. Wow, look how cool that is. It's telling us our distance in feet right there. So folks, if you're looking for a premium design, one that can't be beat, one that is absolutely too sweet, well, guess what? The beautiful LED light and everything else makes this a winner, winner chicken dinner. Folks, this is so special, so cool, so stylish, you're gonna wanna pick one up. From the professional angle measurement, the white light, the UV light, the eye protection for face-safe lighting, the professional laser, 65 feet/20 meters with 3 mm of accuracy. Yes, this is impressive. The BMS battery system instant turbo light, and your phone charges your light. Mini size hands-free EDC clip-on magnetic hanging. It doesn't get much better than that. Folks, it's time to go pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. Thank you for joining us. You know we love you. You know we appreciate you, but it's absolutely time for you to go get to shopping. This thing's going forward, dynamic, and it's a great gadget. Go dig. All right, folks, you know I love you. You know I appreciate you. Get to shopping. Go get one today. Goodbye, my friends.